Haka step jong ka si thodieng ka badai ka singi ka basaw ka baw President ka Voice of the People Party Bah Ardent basemoy ulasong sya thangan haka cakayeng kali ka badan hasanda ka Additional Secretariat lawan kami de ka Kong Ampareen lingdo ka meli Shillong bat kumju ru ka Menteri Sarkar haka Sarkar MDA2 haka jingwan sya kate ka Kong Ampareen ka badai ka MLA Shillong ka badai nak seng NPP ka laong ba ka jingwan ka jongka ka long kum Kyrwoh shimet pat kum ka para MLA kum ka Menteri Sarkar kalbo ka jingkarpat no Bah Ardent ba unweng no ka jingshat ngan bat kentu yu ba unwan yekran rei nakaliang president ka VVP ulak kentai war na maruloong ba ka sarkar ka diban pha da ka jingtho ba kandon ka jingkut jingmut man penbai ka reservation policy
review the reservation policy if the government agrees. Once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then min saya kira nang ta, kaya kita bagi tuang. First thing yang ada trend bah, at least the ratio should have been proportionate.
In what sense?
On population structure.
Like your God. I will look at all your
Yes.
Don't mean your pet, AB or Naik sure melawan mga seperti itu naik. Kakwa FB, kakwa FB can get out of this because I'm worried.
It has to be
Your well-being
official.
ang aking slide on ang budget.
It has to be official. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write?
No, that you write. I cannot separate it. Official, it has to be official. It
In
has to
what
be in black and
sense?
white.
That?
In
What
black
do you
and
want
white.
me to write?
It depends upon you, how the government writes to us. How the
Then
government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh,
agitation.
No.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the reservation policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the
We have
government.
to talk.
It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on reservation policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now.
Yeah.
I will talk to everyone. I've understood your mind, but I want you to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will
That's
continue.
why people
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about himla across
Yes. Definitely. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decide
Floor of
first.
the house, if
We
we don't come in
sought
numbers,
to discuss this issue on the floor of the house.
Also see how
We didn't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody they are looking at us now. We just kind of simply.
Demokrasi kaya junta.
No. This is
At
not
demokrasi
democracy.
kaya junta. Iwala ka private members. Dihamon kinamon.
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy.
What?
This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
But
If
it should
you
have
one
been done
day
in-
get
it should have been
one
done
day you have the
in a real
numbers, you will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any
No,
other political
We
party.
will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real issues.
We will. I have just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
you to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want you to
but
keep
we
fit.
cannot decide individually. We are coming
So
here.
you are saying now give it in writing.
Yeah.
No, I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not remain
Our
like
message,
this.
our message is very clear. The government should review.
See,
The
we are
reservation-
reviewing the reservation.
No, you are not reviewing. You are discussing roster, please.
We are reviewing
I don't know
the
why you are confused.
Eh,
Why you are confused? As minister, your
Especially-
mind has to be.
Reservation
There must be a
means
clarity on your mind.
reservation means what? Reservation means number one, pendigi office memorandum. That's what we're doing.
No.
Number two,
Reservation is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you
Reservation-
make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the
Okay,
policy says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? Giant glass, green oil. So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Khlem,
there.
Upnar.
Then-
Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try to
dividing.
divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't
I'm
try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I have
means
not come here to argue with you.
Maramulengam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Boy, then there will be another
worried.
problem. No,
That
no.
is what I'm
Why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
what we'll
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Ponar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that.
Sit, let us talk about this. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want to.
So if
It's not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
for
for
you.
me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
for the
worry
state,
for
for
me.
the state. For the state.
Okay, worry
Not
for
good
the
for all
youth
of us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youths.
I'm very
worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for
me.
everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready
Please,
to sacrifice
please
my
let us
life.
meet.
Yeah.
Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike and come, let's go. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Laila. Come.
I
As you
don't-
wish, as you wish. I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, Union Yakran, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the reservation.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty. Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay,
Okay?
thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Please, Hilaya Sgau ngawan ban request si Arden ban withdraw ya ka strike to be namar ba ikwa pan ya kren kani kamha na ka state tang don ban ong ngasuan ban request si man smo ba ban withdraw no ya ka agitation di namar bang idon kam ban ya kren Khlem da kajing ya kren siya ingin ya boy siya kajing suko mla
Hato kala menlong mo kada ka jingwan suwan man kerpat klem na ka jingtho.
ingin saya pakai juga ngadi ka Emily ngadi ka nong song snong ngasgaw don kaman wan ngalawan ngalale ina ka jok kajing hot i siya kajing elangin saya hot iwan tingin slap ban ya kren
Tadi message kau pimpa si Mr. Lang no.
kay siya ni ngangawan kum ka nong song snong ngawan kum ka Emily ngadon kajing sausi kajing ba kali lem ngadon ko hok panwan pan request si pan sobha ban withdraw ya ka agitation tangkat i
Hato pinpa pa naman ni kubo su chimnesa by day bakani ban ya shong
min
ha play
saya
kami.
ya ka e ka ban ja ngimla ban ya kren ba ka kermen bakan ben iwan ban pen ben em
Minta piwan personal kau.
personal kum ka nong song slong kum ka way ni ki batray lang bi ba aten nga try kam don problem ka ta